All right, so this is our bandsaw, the bandsaw here, and this is just for wood only, no metal please, okay? It has a wood blade. And a few things about the bandsaw is you want to make sure that it's connected to the vacuum, and this is the hose here. Typically comes like this. This is our hose, so make sure it's connected in the back. It's ready to go. And this is the power supply. So the blue tape is the vacuum that should be plugged in here, and this should be plugged in for the bandsaw. Okay. In the front, make sure you're wearing your safety glasses. All right. And then you want to make sure that you have this at the correct height. So there's a wheel on this side that raises and lowers this. It's called a guide for the blade. Okay. And typically what you do is you put your material up to it like this and bring it down till it touches, and then come up about 1/4 of an inch, and that's a good height right there. Okay. To turn this on, first of all, you're gonna make sure you keep your hands on the side, kind of away from these two kind of edges of this silver plate here. Keep your fingers away from this because this is pretty dangerous. All right. And as I'm pushing it through, I'm gonna go through at a steady pace. You don't want to go backwards because it'll pull the blade out of position. So just always go forward. And we're not really going to turn it that much. Just go straight with this machine. Okay. So I'm going to turn it on here. Turn it off. And just wait for it to finish turning. So you notice that the vacuum came on and turned off. You pull your piece away, and then you're done with that. Okay. I want to show you the inside of this, how it works. So I'm going to open up this, look over here and open this up. So this is how the bandsaw works, where it has two wheels, one on the top, one on the bottom, and these two wheels hold a band, which is this continuous band like this away from each other. And then you can adjust it to make sure it's in the right direction, and that's how it runs. It has a motor that runs those wheels, and that's it. Right. When you're finished, make sure you're cleaned up and have everything ready for the next person to begin. And please make sure you bring this all the way down to the bottom so we don't have an exposed blade on the machine. And that's it.